Welcome to AutoDSC for Data Science Challenge. If you are a professor, how do you set up a competition in here? Well, first, sign up. So you use your email, pick a username, a password, and choose Challenge Creator, okay? You're gonna receive an email, so you have to go there and click to confirm your email, then you're ready to go. So you're ready to come here, and if I'm MF Alonso and I have a password, you can hit remember me if you want. And here is all your competition that you participated, because you can participate as well, all the existing competition, and you can change your password if you enter in here. How do you go about creating a new competition? So this is a tab that only you as a professor have. And you have to upload 2 files. Sorry, but you have to separate yourself the train and the test data set. And the only thing is that the training, both should have the target variable. Right now, it's only ready for classification problems. I'm going to be working on doing other types of models, but it's only based on classification right now and only using Gini as a metric. But I'm going to be soon changing it. Okay, so you put a description here. You put a maximum number of attempts daily. Like you can put 10,000, or you can put 30 daily attempts, or just 2 attempts daily. You pick a day that the competition will start. Competition will start today. The competition will end this Saturday. So you say the max number of time that the interval between submissions. So you don't want the people to be like in a loop doing things really quickly. Well, you can put 60 seconds here, or you don't mind, so you put 1 second here. It doesn't matter. Okay, so it's up to you. So you have to submit the file. So I have here census and census test. Basically, census is a comma separated value with comma and with dots, and then it has a greater than 50K target variable. The target variable should be the last variable, and this is the test data set that has everything, the 50K at the very end as well. So this is a train and a test. You can do whatever you want with it, separate it in random, use different things to. So you come here, and then you go there, grab the census in here, and you grab the test in here, and you set up the competition. You wait a minute. Great, the competition FLFV has been created, so you can see it in here. Okay, how does somebody plays the game? There is another option. There is another video that you can watch to see how people play the game. But if you enter in here, you can see both the files. You would notice that the CSV with the train, it is the same as you sent. However, the website has removed from the test the last column. So the last column does not include the target variable. So the students will play the game, but they don't have access to the test target variable. Only the website does. So for your students to play, please watch this YouTube video, UPM UVJ5E64. That's how to play the game. So hope you use the tool and you give me feedback on how to improve it. Your feedback to mfalonso@faculty.ie.edu. Thank you very much. And this is the link for the video on how to play the game. Any students can see the new competition right here, right now. Thank you so much for watching.